Good afternoon, Professor. As you can see here, we got the spinning cube animation for the homework number 1. My name is Nicholas Garai, and I'm here to demonstrate what this code does. So right here we got some parameters, the character bits, and we got some defining some the corners here and the edges of the cube, because we're doing the spinning cube, of course, and then the while loop to keep it infinite, just some spacing stuff right here, and then the rotation on the y and x-axis safeguard, so then the math doesn't divide itself by 0, creating an error. And then we have some perspective projection, just kind of moving in the z-axis furthermore. And then we got the rendering of the actual thing. So the edge and the projection, and then the lines drawn in between. So between the x-axis and the z-axis. And then we have this statement to print it all out and to make it nice and smooth. So let's watch this animation. And there we have it. Okay, let's get into this code. So we see the blue here is the starter code that was provided for us. My code here in the yellow, and my partner's code in the red. So I contribute about half of it, so my partner contributed about half of it. So this is all checked and verified with a text comparer. So we got everything that was given to us, stuff that I did and stuff that my partner did. So again, the parameters are really given to us. So these numbers were changed from the original, but I just rather highlight it all because this section was fundamentally just given to us. Same with the chart writers was given to us all the ASCII characters. And then we have something that I did, which is verifying exactly the corners and the edges of the starting point in the animation. We have the while loop given to us by the starter code, and then my partner here doing some verification, doing some rotation. So then this is the function that would rotate, and the math behind the rotating the z, y, and x axis for the cube. And then here I have a safeguard. So we're running into an error about the code. So we added this safeguard here for the safeguard here. So then the function itself fundamentally does not divide 0. We just kind of change that by 0.1 because it's coming into an error that it would divide by 0 and functionally would break the code. So put that as a safeguard, not to divide it in 0, and then some perspective projection with the ooze function. So this little math equation here would essentially, when it's rotating during certain points, it would push certain things backwards or make it look like there is a difference in direction, give it some depth. We have the edges here. So again, calling back the origins, and this just having it tick the rendering the edges. And then we have the line direction, again, like I said, with the depth. So we wanted to get some z-depth. This is a little math function that takes these rendered edges and then spins it on its axis just to make it look nice. Some brightness here. Again, all of it was just depth perception. So if it's at a certain point, then it should be this depth, this deep, this not depth, this deep, this shallow, as it rotates. And then from this, we have the print frame. So then the entire code is sitting nicely. It doesn't look awkward. It's not printing infinitely in a terminal. It is in the center and rotating. That is what this code does here. And with that, that is homework 1. Thank you very much.